Hi. Okay, so today is exciting because I am finally unboxing my new 4x5 field camera from the Intrepid Camera Company. I actually don't technically know their name. Hold on. So it does look like it was from the Intrepid Camera Company. I ordered it from the UK, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 months ago, and it got here a couple of weeks ago. So this is exciting stuff. Okay, if you have kids, you've probably seen me unboxing toys videos, so this is akin to that. Or maybe not. Let's see, fragile it says. I feel like I should get my packing slip out of there. I'm having a hard time seeing, so I'm gonna put on my eyeglasses. So here she is. I love the little mountain logo. And she smells like brand new wood. Pretty cool. And I have no idea what's next. I do have a lens. That much I know. I don't know how to use the lens. Setting up. Loosen the rear standard screws and raise the rear while pulling the front forwards. Okay, so I loosened these guys up, and I'm lifting up, but the bellows didn't stay down. But now the bellows are staying down. Tighten screws and locked rear standard at 90 degrees. Should my bellows be down? Maybe I need to attach it to a tripod first. Okay, so I tracked down my tripod, and I believe the screw would go in one of these holes. I have sort of a small blah tripod, so hopefully this will work. Okay, so this is mounted on the tripod, and now I believe this is when I loosen the screws, and I'm not sure about those bellows popping out though. Okay, it says raise front standard and tighten controls, so I think that the bellows are fine. I just lifted up the bellows. So I have a 210 millimeter lens. I did some research online before purchasing this, but basically I went with a sort of moderately priced lens for portraits. But I'm slightly figuring this out. I've reached out to several photographers who have not really kind of given me a ton of information. So finally I just made some decisions, and we'll see. So it's 210 millimeters. So I'm reading here, hole number 3 is where I believe the bellows would then be screwed in, or the front standard. Front standard goes into hole number 3. So this isn't the easiest thing to do, and I'm assuming I want everything nice and lined up with this board, at least to get started. But it's not the easiest motion here. Okay, with 2 hands, it was a lot easier, and it is screwed into position number 3. Okay, it says mount my lens, and I'm ready to go. Except I have no clue how to mount this lens. And this lens board, I mean, it looks really little. Do I unscrew something and screw it on? Time to use the googs. Ding, ding, ding. I did unscrew my lens to mount it, but I'm not convinced it's gonna fit onto this. So maybe it will do that side. I don't know. Okay, so this says Copal 0. I just looked at my order. And then my lens, I did notice all this Copal stuff when I bought the lens, and this is Copal number 1. So I need to get a Copal 1 lens board. So the next step in this large format photography journey would be to get the right copal size. I don't know if I'm using the right terms, but the right copal for the lens that I have. So I have a copal 1 and my board is a 0. So I don't know. I also have to do research on how to make sure the lens board fits into this camera. I don't want to have to order this from England and then wait, you know, weeks for it to get here. So coming to a halt, and I will revisit in the next couple weeks. Bye, guys.